Let's go, Cholito. Good morning. The bear attacked Cholo, look that. Cholo, Cholo, come in here, baby. It's okay. Cholito, come in here. The bear attacked Cholo. Cholo's so scared, look at that. Cholito, come in here, baby. Choli, it's okay, baby. No, look at him. He is attacked Cholo, and Cholo's so scared. Come in, Cholito. Look at that. He don't like Cholo. Look at that. Ah! Cholito's okay. Cholo, come in here. Don't run away. Come on, Cholito. It's okay. Let's go inside. This bear is so funny. He attacked Cholo so much. Don't fight with Cholo. Look at that. Okay, he have a baby. Have two babies. And this is never attack us. But I don't know why attack Cholo. Cholito, come in here, baby. I'm so sorry. Come on, baby. Come in. Come in here. Come in. Come in here. No. Don't go inside the car. Come in here. Okay, I open the door for you. Come in. Come in, baby. Cholo, come in. Run away, baby. I'm so sorry. I'm just so scared, baby. I'm so sorry. You okay? Are you okay, Cholito? Oh, baby. Oh. Cholo! Cholo, it's okay. It's okay. Calm down. Cholo, calm down. Okay, it's okay. Cholito. Hey, calm down. Go to your chair. Calm down. Cholo, come in here. Come back. So, okay. Okay, it's gone. The bird is gone, Cholito. It's okay, baby. It's okay.